Introducing the Canflex 204S, fully automatic vertical form fill seal packaging machine, designed for reliable, high efficiency and cost-effective pouch packaging. This VFFS machine can produce 4 or 3 side seal pouches from 40 mm to 110 mm width using film rolls between 80 mm and 220 mm with pouch lengths up to 180 mm. The machine delivers accurate liquid filling with a capacity of up to 200 ml. This machine can pack film with up to 220 mm without any change or part. The 204S can be configured for pastes, oils and other viscous and non-viscous materials with the appropriate filling attachments. With a production speed of up to 50 pouches per minute, depending upon your product. For precise operation, the machine includes photomark eye synchronization for accurate film tracking and batch cutting for clean and uniform pouch separation. The system is also compatible with coding units, allowing easy integration for product traceability. Built for user-friendly operation, durability and reliable production, the Canflex 204S is an ideal solution for modern packaging requirements. Contact us to learn more on how it can support your packaging operations.